We just got to Mammoth. We go up here and get our tickets. All right, here's a traveler's tip for you. Last winter, when they had the Christmas promo, buy a gift card and get a free Mammoth beanie, well, I took advantage of that. So we're riding for free today. Well, actually prepaid. And all my runs this summer so far at Summit have also been free, but the gift card balance is gone. But at least everything as far as Mammoth resorts have been free so far this year. Yeah. All right guys, almost loaded up and ready to go. Angel's first ride on the bike. She's rolling a brand new Canyon, Grand Canyon, and it's got some new gear rolling. We're gonna practice a few fundamentals before we hit the trail, and it should be a good ride. All right, downtown. Rained a good portion of yesterday, got some hero dirt, yeah. That's like probably the biggest one on here, a little 6-inch one.
And I said I could do 2 runs.
Angel's gonna tow me in on this one. Yeah. Tree? Oh, you okay?